Did you know the dream of human flight became a reality in the early 20th century? The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, made the first successful flight of a powered airplane on December 17, 1903. The plane had a 12-horsepower engine to power two propellers mounted behind the wings of their plane. A chain and sprocket transmission system connected the engine to the propellers so that it could turn them. Muslin fabric covered the spruce and ash wood that formed the framework of the plane. Their aircraft, the Wright Flyer, flew about 120 feet on its first flight. This marked the beginning of the aviation era. The invention of the airplane revolutionized travel and commerce, and it played a crucial role in both world wars. The invention of the airplane changed the world in ways unimaginable before. Subscribe and like for more.